everybody, and welcome to AlienLegend. This week's videos are going to be a little different than my normal stuff. I'd like to introduce you all to some of my OCs. This OC's name is Canary. You've already seen her, but now you get to know her. She's mute, so unfortunately she'd never be able to tell you herself that she's 16, a Virgo, and her favorite colors are blue or teal. She loves to read. Lucky for her, her guardians have many libraries across the world for her to digest. A good time for her is sitting by a window against a bookshelf reading a good book. Doesn't matter if it's fiction or nonfiction, she just enjoys the thrill. Don't think just because she's totally silent that she's totally dumb. She's actually really smart. Of course it's hard to keep up with her guardian Chris with his award-winning inventions, but this isn't his video. She has her own special talents. Another good time for her is when she is hanging out with her family. I mean, they can be pretty loud and messy, but she really does love them that way. She's not too shy to dance or try a fun sport, especially for her other guardian, Zach. But she will admit she does not like when people argue. She's got a soft soul and likes when people get along, at least to some degree. Yet, at the same time, she knows that conflict happens. We just don't need to always blow it up into something huge. She loves frogs, the way they sound, even the way they feel. This means she loves the rain and splashing in mud puddles before finding some small, cute, little hopping friends. At the end of the day, she's a big softy nerd who loves her family and her frogs. And that's Canary. I hope you all enjoyed these new kind of videos, and if you'd like to learn more, please check out my Patreon. I'm hoping to post up more about this specific story, Biter and Canary, real soon. So if you like, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you had a great morning, evening, and night. Bye!